Hi, this is Anil and welcome to the video tutorial for the Learning Lab on C++ programming. So in this tutorial we're going to be learning something called loops in C++. So in programming sometimes we need to execute some statements again and again until some condition is reached. So to do that we're going to use something called loops, and one of the loop available in C++ is called a while loop. For example, in your program, you want to print out learning lad rocks for around 10 times. What you can do is you can write that learning lad rocks in a COUT statement 10 times, and if that number of times you want to write increases, let's say 1000 times, then at that time you can't write COUT 1000 times again and again. So at that time what we can do is we can write that statement only once, and we can make our computer to execute that one line 1000 times. So for that we're gonna use something called loops, and one of the loops available in C++ is called a while loop. So this while is a keyword which is used for writing the while loop, and the syntax is first you need to write the keyword while, then in parentheses you need to write the expression, and then a pair of curly braces, and between that curly braces you're gonna write the statements. So till this expression evaluates to true, the statements inside this loop or inside these curly braces will be executed. So in our program we should make sure that we use the proper expression, and also we should make sure that this expression will become false at some time, so that this loop will terminate. So we're gonna see how to use this in our program. So here in this tutorial, just for the demonstration purpose, what we're gonna do is we're gonna print out learning lad rocks 30 times. To do that we need a variable. I'm gonna create an integer variable and I'm gonna call it as counter, and I'm gonna initialize that variable to a value of 1. And next we're gonna write the while loop. So we need to write the while keyword and then a pair of parentheses, and between these parentheses we need to write the expression. And next we're gonna have a pair of curly braces, and between these curly braces we're gonna write the statements. So now we're gonna write the expression. Since I want to execute the statements inside this loop 30 times, I'm gonna write the expression as counter less than or equal to 30. So till this expression evaluates to true, or in other words till this counter variable is going to contain a value which is less than or equal to 30, I want to execute the statements inside this loop or inside these curly braces. So here, just for the demonstration purpose, we're going to write cout, and we're going to write learning lad rocks, and let's add new line, and that's it. And the next thing that we need to do is we need to make sure that at some point our this expression must evaluate to false. Otherwise what happens is this expression will always be true, and our program will be in infinite loop, which means there is no end to that loop. So to do that we're gonna increment the value of this counter variable. So it's gonna be counter plus plus. So now what happens, the counter value is 1. So in the first time 1 is less than or equal to 30, and it's gonna print learning lad rocks, and then it's gonna increment this counter value. Now the counter becomes 2, and again the same thing happens till this counter variable is gonna contain a value of 30. When it becomes 31, this expression evaluates to false, and that's why the control will come out of this while loop. So I'm gonna save it, I'm gonna build and run this. So you guys can see here we got learning lad rocks 30 times. Just to make it proper, we're gonna insert the number here, or the value of counter, and then stream insertion operator, and let's add an arrow just to make it pretty. I'm gonna save it and build and run this. Now you guys can see here 1 learning lad rocks, 2, 3, 4, 5, similarly 29, 30. If you want to execute the statements inside this loop 1000 times, you just need to change this one to 1000 here, and the statement will be executed that many times. And also make sure that when you use while loops, the expression must become false at some point, otherwise you'll be stuck in an infinite loop and your program won't work properly. So thank you for watching, guys. This is about the loops and the while loop in C++. And like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.